Hey, what's up guys? I'm back again for another video for you guys. This is part 2 of the brake line tuck. I'm gonna show you guys where I'm still at right now. Bam. Yeah, you guys can see it right there. But I'm gonna put more of the fittings on. I'm gonna get the 4040 prop valve in the car. I'm gonna get it mounted and let's see how many lines I get done. All right guys, so got my drill, got the drill bit, I got the fittings, so let's start drilling. All right, as you can see, well, can't really see because it's black, but I got the fittings in there.
You believe in this shit or what? You believe in the aliens?
I don't know what the fuck I'm doing here.
What up, guys? I'm heading to Harbor Freight right now, going to pick up a few things, gonna check out some stuff. So, with my boy Omi, right there. Get right into it. All right, guys, we made it to Harbor Freight. Let's see how much money I'm gonna spend. We are here, guys. We are here. Oh, I need one of those. I definitely need one of these. How much is this? Oh, 60 bucks. Not a bad price. Not a bad price. Ended up spending more than I wanted to. Getting one of these little dollies so I can move the motor around easier. And I got an engine stand. That'll help me put the water pump, oil pump tensioner, all that stuff back on. Whatever, bro. All that stuff. All right, guys. So I don't know why I keep saying that. I always say that. All right, guys. So we're leaving Harbor Freight. Heading back to the house to finish the brake line tuck. And now.
In the left hand of Richard Mill. Not the watch, but the price on the ice. If you don't know what that is, motorsport, motorville. Abort the mission, that's a kill.
Home. I had to change my hoodie because the other one I had on was too nice. But we're back. Got the motor on, the little dolly, easier to move. And I bought an engine stand, which is over here. I'm gonna put together later. That thingy. But over here, what I'm working on is this line right here. I still have to bend it. I gotta drill a hole. But let me show you the other side. Bam! Your boy is killing it. Your boy is killing it, man. You see that? You see that? Now I'm gonna do a montage. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Just finished the driver's side brake line. Where's the flashlight? There we go. That's all done. Wheel is back on, and Omi about to re-clear the engine bay, give it a little bit more shine. All I have to do is run the lines inside from this side and that side, which I already put the fittings in the wall already. So we'll see if I get to those lines today. So actually, I am gonna get to those lines today. What am I talking about? I'm about to do it right now. That's the two from the Masters done. Both the passenger and driver side is all set. The driver side inside is all set. Well, it's kind of messed up, but it's behind there. Those over there, all set. Prop valve mounted right there, so pretty much all the lines in the front are all set. I still have to run the rear lines, but I'm not doing that today. That's a lot of work. I'm already tired as is. Here we go. Got my line right there. Comes over to the prop valve in the center, well, behind the center. So 2 more lines to go, and this is all set. I'm going to be, before I end the video, I'm going to be installing the LSVTEC kit on the motor. Yeah, so all right, guys, I got the fitting in the head. I put Teflon tape around it just in case it doesn't leak. All right, guys, so I got the sandwich plate on here. I gotta snug it, get it a little snug. Let me get the size is that. How did I guess that? So what I'm doing is, well, if you guys didn't know, this is Teflon tape. Well, I need some lotion. You see that? Hold on. Wow. This is Teflon tape. It helps stop little seeps through fittings, anything kind of threaded. It helps to seal. So I'm gonna be putting a little on both these fittings, and going to be putting the steel braided line on. I like to get it nice and snug because I don't like leakage. And the LSV kit is on. Oh yeah. So guys, I'm gonna end up ending the video here. Like I said, both front calipers, both lines to the master are to the prop valve. I just have to do the 2 rear lines, get those connected to the prop valve, and brake tuck will be done. Got the B20V, well, the LSV kit on. Pretty much after that, I have to wait for the clutch to come in, clean up the transmission, and get the mounts so I can get it mounted. That's gonna be it for today. If you are new to the channel, like and subscribe. Make sure you hit that Taco Bell logo. Stay notified. And I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace.